Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find your Facebook followers by date on a PC, using the latest update. This process is simple and ensures you can organize and view your followers based on specific time periods. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile settings. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. You'll find this option in the drop-down menu after clicking on your profile photo. Once there, select Activity Log. This section contains a detailed history of your account activities. In the Activity Log, look for the category labeled Connections. Under this section, click on Followers. This will display a list of people who follow you on Facebook. Now, click on People who followed you. This will open a detailed page showing all your followers. At the top of this page, you'll see an option labeled Date. Click on it to filter your followers by a specific time period. Finally, choose the desired date range from the options provided. Once you've selected the period, click Save Changes to apply the filter. Now you can view your followers based on the date they started following you. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and organize your Facebook followers by date using a PC. This feature is perfect for tracking engagement and understanding when people started following you. Thank you for tuning in.